Hello everyone, my name is Ashaki Hayes and I will be going over just a few small little activities for kindergarten, level kindergarten, and it's dealing with the math subject, and it's going to be on ordering, number ordering, least to greatest, greatest to least, and missing numbers as well. So with the first one, I have a little fun, that's a roll call, and it's simply just, I have a few, of course, I'm sure, you have more children in this, but I was just doing just to show you an example of how you could do this activity. So as you call a roll, you can show the kids their names and let them see you check off when you call their name, and they say, okay, Susie's here, and she'll say here or present, and you can check off as you're going. And at the end, you can maybe do a fun little count. Ask the kids, say, count with me. Let's see who was here. So for instance, we'll say Susie was here, Willie was here, Jenny was here, Richard here, and Milan is here. And you can show them, these are the children that are here. Let's count them. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 children are here today. And oh, guys, over here, I see the number 5. And then you can go and do the order side, and you can show them and say, okay, right here, today we are doing ordering numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. And you can show them, like, particularly right here, we're doing greatest to least. That means the largest number to the smallest number. And you guys can count backwards together. You can sing. Everybody do it with me. 8. What comes before 8? And they may say 7, which is good. And you go back together. 8, 7, 6, 5 is already here. What's missing? 4, 3, 2, and number 1. We have counted from greatest to least for roll call. And that could be all with that one. Of course, you can add more, take out more, however you want to do it. It's up to you. This second activity is basically showing 2 numbers, and it's comparing it. You're just saying this number is least than less than that number, or this number is greater than that number, or even equal to this the same number. So let's see, let's do it together. So we have 16 and we have 50. Now we know 16 is a small number compared to 50. So we will use 16 is less than 50. This is the less than sign. And you will show them how the less than sign look, and it looks like that because the arrow is like open towards the larger number. Then you move on, 20 and 4. We know 20 is larger than 4, so we will put the greater than sign. That's how you would do that. And then the bottom, you have 33 and 33. That's the same number, right? So we will put the equal to sign. And that's how you do that activity. And I have one more before you can either use it for a formative assessment or just a lesson, just an activity for them to do. And it is basically similar to the first one with the roll call, showing the numbers from greatest to least or least to greatest. And right here I have the L to G, meaning least to greatest, and they will help you count. You have 2, missing 5, missing 7. So we know after 2 we have 3, then you have 4, and then like that, and you would let them fill it in. You can either call them up to the board, you can write it on your whiteboard or whatever you choose, and let them fill it out for you, or you all could do it together individually, however you choose. And the second one, it goes from blank, blank, 8, 9, blank. And we know 8, 9, you can put 10 for the end to kind of help them remember a little better. Maybe you go 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6. That's how you can do that one to help them kind of remember how it goes. And the bottom, it has G to L, meaning greatest to least. So we would do, see here it has 10, and then you have a blank, blank, 7, blank. So with this one, you would do 10, then 9, 8, and 6 for those blanks in that one. In the last row, you have 15, blank, 13. Now let's see what number comes between 15 and 13. And hopefully they'll say 14. So you put the number 14. Then you do 12 and 11 for the last two blanks. And those are the few activities that I had for ordering numbers, going from least to greatest and figuring out what number comes after or before a certain number.